When it comes to making decisions on exteriors such as your roof, or whether it be your fencing or even your gutters, colour choice and finish are really important decisions that need to be made. And that can also be really daunting as well, because you'll want to get it right the first time, if you know what I mean. Well, this is something that I'm really excited about. The ColourBond Steel Discovery van, which is right behind me here, gives you the option to be able to jump on board and take a look, touch and feel and really see up close these different finishes so that you can make the right decision. So when you enter the ColourBond Steel Discovery van, this is the first place that you see. And this is really cool because it gives you the opportunity to see the rigorous testing that goes into all of the ColourBond Steel products. It's been bashed, bent, scratched, drilled, scalded, you name it, to ensure that it will live up to the task. And that way you know that you've made the right choice. So over on this side of the ColourBond Steel Discovery van, we have the samples that you can actually pick up and have a look at, which is really important. It's one thing to see a colour and a texture on a computer screen, but it is another to actually pick it up, hold it, feel it, cross-reference it with other colours that you might have been thinking of as well. And that way you really get that informed decision. These are great. Now, previously, you would have had to have relied on designers or your architect to make up the mood boards and shortlist colours and whatnot, but ColourBond Steel have done that for you. And it gives you the opportunity to get up close and really have a look at the products that ColourBond Steel are making at the moment. And this is a great example. This is a matte finish. And having a small piece like this gives you the opportunity to be able to take it outside so you can actually see how the light diffuses on the product to give a really beautiful, subtle effect. It's just gorgeous. And they've also put this together with these mood boards so that you can actually see the references, be inspired by the colours and also the environment as well. So that is one of the mood boards that are really beautiful. Okay, so then you can see we're moving into some lighter greys here, which are absolutely stunning. I mean, this one is one of my personal favourites, shale grey, also in the matte, so you get that beautiful light diffusion as well. It really is just gorgeous, and it lends itself to a beachy, tranquil, classic kind of vibe. It's lovely. So we go from this beautiful shale grey and we're moving down here, and as you can see we're getting a little bit lighter. Surf Mist is once again lighter, and it's just a lovely airy kind of feeling, which is really lovely. And you're getting down to the darker colours, which, you know, are the popular ones, and these are the ones that people have traditionally gone for. But have you thought of possibly going a lighter colour? Because these beautiful matte products in these stunning colours with all of this imaging that comes with it as well gives you the opportunity to really picture your house in a way that maybe you might not have seen it. Like, I'm kind of thinking now that I would like to get the old shale grey and do myself a beach house. Now all I have to do is just get a beach house.